Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be making a chicken salad, and this chicken salad is gonna be with avocado. And the ingredients I'm gonna be using for the chicken salad is gonna be 2 chicken breasts, a piece of onion, 1 bay leaf, 2 garlic, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And I'm gonna be cooking the chicken first, and then we're gonna be making the salad dressing we're gonna be using for this chicken salad. Okay, and now I'm gonna put the piece of onion and the 2 garlics, and we're gonna let it cook in there. And now we're gonna make the salad dressing. I'm gonna be describing all the ingredients we're gonna need for this salad dressing. So for starting, I have 1/4 of a cup of a Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon of apple vinegar, 1/4 of a cup of avocado oil. If you want to use olive oil, you can use olive oil too. And we're gonna be using the juice of 1 lime. I have a little bunch of cilantro right here, 1 serrano pepper, and 2 small tomatillos, or these ones, and 1 avocado. And the spices we're using: onion powder, garlic, black pepper. The salt is on your taste, okay? Okay, so we're gonna start putting everything in here. And the cilantro and the pepper and the tomatillo. And now I'm gonna take it to the blender, okay? It looks like this. And I already tasted for salt. It has a good flavor, and it's good with the salt. Like I always say, salt is to the taste. And with the serrano pepper, it's real good. It gives a little heat in there, so which is good. If you don't want to use a Greek yogurt, you can always use sour cream or heavy cream, okay? Or even milk. It looks like the chicken is already done, so I'm gonna turn it off. And I'm gonna put the chicken to the side so it can cool down a little bit. That way we can make the salad, okay? And these are the vegetables I'm gonna be putting into my salad, but you can put any vegetables you want. Carrot, and I shred it in little pieces like this. 1 can of corn, red onion, cucumber, and broccoli. Those are the vegetables I'm gonna be putting into my chicken salad. Okay, so I have the chicken here, and I already shredded it. And you can shred it or you can cut it in little squares. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put all the vegetables that I'm gonna use on this salad. And I'm gonna mix everything in here. Now that I mix it real good, I'm gonna be putting the salad dressing that I made. So we're putting everything in here, and we're gonna be mixing real good, okay? And now you can taste it for salt, and if it needs more salt or more lemon, you can always put more, okay? It might need a little more salt, so I'm gonna put 1 more teaspoon of salt, okay? And if you want it more spicy, you can always put another serrano pepper, okay? You can put 2 serrano peppers. So I'm gonna keep on mixing in here. Okay, so the salad is done, and it looks like this. It's green, but it tastes real good. And we eat it with tostadas, but you can also eat it with the bread. So I'm gonna be making a tostada. We eat it like this. This is how it looks when I serve it on a tostada, and it tastes real good. It's a little spicy. If you see that it's a little dry, you can always make a little more sauce and put it in the chicken salad. But this chicken salad is real good and creamy, and you can also put the vegetables that you want. So we finished making the chicken salad with the avocado salad dressing. And this is how it looks, and it tastes real good, so I hope you make it. And you can eat it with tostadas or bread, or you can also eat it with crackers. So I hope you enjoy the recipe, and thank you for watching all my videos. Like and subscribe.